Hey everybody, it's Stacy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm very excited to show you guys the February mystery kit reveal. And I'm so excited because this artwork is just so gorgeous and I was so excited to use it. So without further ado, let's just jump on into the kit. So this kit is called Foodie and it is a food inspired kit. It's got tons of different types of food. And I love it so much. Like this girl's sweater, I just want this in real life. I think it's so cute. You got different types of food here, like fast food, burgers, you know, the boba. You got donuts even, and burrito, all that kind of stuff. It's just so pretty. So you have your full boxes, your quarter box and half box sheet, your bottom washi, which is so cute, date covers, your functional page, your headers and little things, and then your squared off boxes. So that is what comes with the full kit. If you purchased the tiny kit, you just get the first 4 pages. So you get the full boxes, the half box, quarter box sheet, bottom washi sheet, and the functional sheet. So 2 different size kits. You get full, that includes these 2, or tiny, which is just the first 4. Each kit also comes with extra Fashion Girls, and it's just to replace this box here if you just so wished. It's got different hair colors and skin tones. That comes with both kits. Along with our glitter headers, they come with both kits as well. So you have the 4 different colors in glitter headers. Also with our mystery kits, you do get some additional extras that are included. And this month we have these fast food scripts. So they are on clear paper and they're just black scripts, and they have just different fast food restaurants. So you have Tim Hortons, Subway, Wendy's, Starbucks, McDonald's, KFC, Dairy Queen, Burger King, and A&W. I just kind of basically looked up what was the most popular fast food chains in Canada. So these are the most popular ones that came up. So I thought I would include them. Very cute. And then you also do get a paper clip. So you get one of these Pom Pom Paper Clips. It's got the gold hardware, and there was 3 different color options that are just random. So you have this mint color, there was a navy blue color, and then there was an orange color as well. So that is the mystery kit for February. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, give it a big thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!